A young man went to apply for a welding job. As soon as he started the conversation, he asked for a monthly salary of $15,000. The boss, without hesitation, took him to the construction site and said, "If you can weld these two handrails of different heights seamlessly, salary won't be an issue." The young man also said nothing, grabbed a piece of wire and started working. He first bent the wire at both ends, forming a perfect arc to use as a template. Then, he used this template to measure the amount of stainless steel tube needed for welding. The young man then took a sheet of paper, wrapped it around the tube, and marked where the paper overlapped. He cut the paper to match the exact diameter of the tube. Afterward, he divided the sheet into 4 sections and marked the central point, extending 1 centimeter on each side of the mark. He then re-wrapped the paper around the tube and transferred those points onto the steel. During the process, it's important to pay attention to the video details. Rural craftsmen face huge challenges, working from dawn to dusk, constantly innovating. If your phone still has battery, please use your hands to support and encourage these rural craftsmen. Your support and encouragement are our driving force to keep going. Thank you so much. We can see the young man marking 15 points, 1 centimeter to the left and right of the central point. He did the same on the other side of the tube, creating 15 corresponding points. It's worth noting that the markings start 15 centimeters from the top. Using the central point as a reference, he drew lines and then made precise cuts. After finishing, he repeated the process at the second corner. After the cuts, the young man brought the 2 parts of the tube together to check if the fit was perfect. He secured them and used a ruler to confirm the measurements. With everything in order, he welded the pieces, and once finished, he used a grinder to ensure the surface was smooth and even. He then polished the piece with a brush, leaving it shiny. With his skill and fluidity, the young man quickly finished the handrail. Then he went to the site for the final assembly. In just a few seconds, he welded and polished the handrail, seamlessly joining the pipes of different heights. The boss, seeing the result, gave a thumbs up in approval. So, what do you think of his method?